Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am having a few friends over for a really small gathering, and I thought I would just share with all of you exactly how I get ready and set up for a little party. What we did yesterday to get ready, check out my vlog channel, Simply Shannon. I'll link it below. I do a lot of day in the life and vlog videos over there, so if you're interested, I will have the link down below. But now I'm gonna get started with getting ready because it's already almost 11 o'clock, and in 30 minutes I'm gonna have to go get Emmett from school. So it's go time, and I need to get the food ready, the house cleaned up, which it's in really good condition right now, but just some, final touches, and just get everything organized so we're ready to have company. Routine is to do all of the dishes before we walk Emmett to school, and then usually by the time I'm ready to go get him, they're dry because our dishwasher does not work and we don't usually use it anyway for just a few items. So they're dry and I can put them away and then move on with the rest of the day. And by doing that in my morning routine, it really helps me to stay organized throughout the day and stay on top of the dishes. This is the cake I'm making from the Oh She Glows cookbook. It is such an awesome recipe. I've made this cake so many different times. This time I'm doing it in the bundt cake pan because last time I didn't have two pans I can insert a clip. And
all right, then I'll eat the last one.
This is my creation. I love being creative.
Lean over there, Emmett.
I tried to cut the cake in half and stack it, and that was a disaster. So today I'm doing the bundt cake pan, and we'll see how that turns out. Just take all the towels out of every bathroom, give them a wash, put them in the garage so there aren't a bunch of funky, smelly, mismatched towels, and I always put up a fresh set of hand towels because it just makes it look so much nicer. One tip I have, if you can do nothing else before people come over, is just to tidy the bathroom that you know they're going to use and change the tablecloth or clear off your table and wipe it down. Those two things can make your house look so much cleaner and fresher. I like to use the Grove Collaborative cleaning supplies, and you can check that out in the link in my description box if you're interested. They have a lot of great smelling all natural cleaners. We just got back from getting Emmett from school. We had lunch, and now they're both miraculously taking a nap. So I decided to jump in the kitchen and make a cake, and this is how it's looking so far. Cake batter ready to go in the oven, and now I have this mess to quickly clean up. Set a timer. Sometimes I forget and then I have to try to calculate how long I've had something in there. So set the timer, and now I'm going to clean the kitchen again. And if you can see behind me here, right here, this is a sliding pocket door, and the one good thing about having a closed kitchen is Emmett just fell asleep on the couch and I can make all kinds of noise in here and shut that door, and I don't bother anybody. I just brought this extra little table in here, and I'm gonna put all of our snacks on there and drinks and things like that. This is one of those multi-purpose items. When I'm not using it for drinks, I can put my plants in there. A large part of the party is going to be taking part outside, since it will hopefully cool down by 6:30. So I'm going to clean up this back patio area so there's a place for everyone to be able to set their drinks and get more drinks, just a little area to put things. For me, a party is just about having fun, and it's not really about having everything perfect. I try to get everything set up, but to me it's more about friends coming over and having a really fun time.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be.
We just got back from the grocery store. Kids are helping. Come on.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
We are now putting the food together and just figuring out where we're gonna set everything. Emmett's very excited to have some friends over. And my mom thankfully made a huge pot of chili, so that's one less thing I have to worry about. And if it wasn't for her, this party would probably not even be happening. She's such a big help. She's currently fixing toys. But anyways, we're all set up and we're ready for everyone to get here. One quick project I'm doing is I don't have anything to put here in the fireplace. I want to eventually get some wood that we will just have as a decoration, because I don't intend to have a fire here. We haven't had this chimney swept or anything like that, so I would just get some decorative wood there eventually. But right now I just got these smelly pine cones, so I'm gonna put these in the fireplace for now and put my twinkle lights in there. If you have twinkle lights and you want to put them away for a while, I just took a rolled up piece of paper and just rolled the twinkle lights around the paper, and it's a really good way to store them. And I will link these twinkle lights down below in my description box. They are the best I've ever used. They've lasted such a long time, and what I like about them is there is a little remote control and you can choose how you want them to blink.
Right there.
We love having people over, and this is how I get ready and set up for a party. And to see what we did the day before this party, you can head over to my vlogging channel, Simply Shannon, and I'll link that below. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to never miss a video. I'll see you next time. Bye.